Ever since the pandemic and lockdown here in Metro Manila, Philippines last March 2020, I haven't gone back to the Poblacion neighborhood of Makati, one of my favorite areas to walk around and take photos of here in the city. This is a little street shrine commemorating the canonical crowning of the Virgen de la Rosa, the queen, mother, and patroness of the city. It's a relic that came onto these shores from Acapulco, Mexico aboard a galleon in 1718. It's now housed in the Saints Peter and Paul Church, also in this neighborhood. Across this little shrine is this cool new cafe that's opened on Enriquez Street called Café Fleur. I really like it. It's cool and airy with ample outdoor seating and with a lot of Filipino-inspired decor. I had some snacks here before going out to take photos. There's a gorilla statue and Mini Cooper in this neighboring house. The bustling Burgos Street red light district is very near, but I was too lazy to walk that far. I doubt it'd be lively now anyway, with COVID restrictions only half lifted. This Poblacion neighborhood is mostly a mix of bars, hipster cafes and restaurants, and the long-standing red light district establishments. I'm just gonna let the music run with no voiceover from this point onwards. My favorite things to photograph are the urban landscape, structures, and walls. I don't photograph people that often. Please don't be disappointed that it's not street photography. I hope you still enjoy the footage of this little neighborhood. I'm going to link to the online album of the still images in the description below. It's a sign of the times that this little sari-sari store, which is a little neighborhood corner store, is now selling disposable face masks, face shields, aside from eggs. Hope you enjoyed this little walking tour of my photographs. Was there any part that you liked best? Please comment below. Please thumb up this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to be updated when I upload again. See you next video.